Hello, teachers. This training will help you administer a test in Illuminate Education. We will begin with signing in. So I'm going to log in here. Which will bring me to my home page. On the home page with all my tiles, I'm going to click on Live Proctoring. I'm going to go all the way over to the right and click on this link that says Live Proctoring because I'm going to give the test in front of the students while they are there. So I'm going to click there. One of the first things I'm going to do is take their names off. And you can see here that you can change it to view their last name, their first name, keep it anonymous. Nobody can see their names. So I'll keep it right there. But that's a cool feature. This is something that you can show on the Promethean board. So what's going to happen is as the kids are progressing, it's going to show if they got their answer correct or incorrect. So at the very top, you have your question numbers. You have question 1, question 2, question 3, all the way at the top. And then right underneath there, you have the percentage of students that got that question correct. Okay. So here I can tell that question 6 is a question that I definitely need to review with the kids, as this is the question that we scored the lowest on. So next to the students' names, they will have the boxes, and if the box is green, they got the answer correct. If it is red, they got the answer incorrect, and it does show me what answer they marked. Now there's also different features in here, so I'm going to go to Assessment Panel. This is just another screen showing the same test. And here I have different assessment features. So right now it's on reveal mode. And I like using this in the classroom and showing it on the Promethean board so the students can see how they're progressing. But one of the things that I did find was that I would wait until the end of the test, have the students wait, and when they finish the test, they will tell me they're done, and then I would tell them if they got an answer wrong or right, which ones they got right, like you got miss number 2 and number 6, because I was finding that some students would click all the letters just until they got a green so they could see that they got the correct answer. So with this button here, reveal mode, you can change the colors and then just let them know at the end which ones they might need to go back and redo. Answer hide hides the answers, because if you don't have that on, you can see here that the answers are there. The help mode button enables help. So on the student screen, they have a hand that they can click on if they need assistance, and then that will link to the teacher screen, and the teacher will be able to go and provide assistance to that student without the student having to physically raise their hand. Okay, teachers, and that was just a quick overview of how to administer a test in Illuminate Education.